For this week's video, I wanted to share my 2020 goals. I have some bigger ones and some smaller ones, and I say goals and not resolutions because I feel like they're more intentional and realistic, so if you're interested, just keep on watching. I've got to say, 2019 was bittersweet. That's the best way I can describe it. Nonetheless, I know 2020 will be so much better. I have so much planned, and I can't wait to see what's to come. I took a little break from graduating with my bachelor's, and I think I'm finally ready to go back to school, and I'm actually very excited. The next thing that I have on here is being consistent. I want to be consistent in all that I do. I feel like consistency is so important. Another thing that I feel like is so important is remaining positive. I feel like that's what helps keep you grounded, and even when things may not be the best, it's very important to remain positive. The next thing that I have on here is save, save, save. I definitely want to reach a certain goal in my savings, and I think that's so important. That's something we should all do. I think starting a savings while you're young is so important, also creating a budget because it helps ensure financial stability. So the next thing I really want to do is something I've been putting off for a really long time, and I mean years, is getting my driver's license. But first things first, I need to get my permit, and that's something that I'll be working on within the next few months. Okay, the next thing I have on here is pretty silly, but I mean, it's something I feel like most of us forget, is drinking more water. I definitely forget to drink water on a daily basis. Like, I have to remind myself with an alarm, and even that doesn't do it for me. So I'm gonna buy one of those water bottles I've seen all over Amazon and Instagram, a water bottle that has like a timestamp. I'll insert a picture here. I definitely need that to motivate me to drink water. I'll keep you guys updated. The next thing on my list of goals is something that's a little cliche and something we all say we want to do year after year. I'm guilty of this, but I definitely want to be more health conscious and work out. Specifically, I would like to do Lauren Giraldo's 12-3-30, which is a treadmill routine. For those of you who don't know, it's 12 incline, 3 speed, and 30 minutes per day. She does it 7 days a week, which is pretty intense. I would like to work up to that, but for now, I think I'll start doing it 4 to 5 times a week. I have 3 goals left, one of which is enjoy my own company, which is something I'm totally okay with and something I have done in the past. However, I have caught myself cancel plans or decide not to do anything if any of my friends or family isn't available to do it with me. I feel like we shouldn't lean on others to do things with us and cancel plans simply because no one is available. I think that's so silly, and I'm a firm believer of what better company than your own. The next thing on my list of goals is traveling. That is something that is definitely at the top of my list and something I really want to do before going into graduate school. I specifically want to go to Europe, and yeah, I definitely have to, so 2020, let's make this happen. The very last thing on my list of goals is improving my social media presence. I know at times I'm not very consistent here on YouTube and Instagram, but I am working towards doing that. That is all for my 2020 goals. I want you guys to remember there is no better time like the present, so make sure to set some goals for yourself. I hope you guys all feel motivated from this and feel refreshed and ready for the new year. I know 2020 will be amazing for us all. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!